Hi, it's Pekka from Rockbullet and welcome to Do My Harvester Head. So what I have over here, I have a blade. So this is for the cutting. You can see that it's with CNC machine, it's sharpened, but it's straight. It's not too practical when the wood is round. You need to have also round blade. And my subcontractor didn't want to bend these. They thought that it's kind of difficult. So I was thinking that, I have to do something. And in Finland we have proverb that kid is healthy when it's playing. And it seems that I'm still a kid because I'm still playing. So what I have over here. So this is my plan how to bend these. This is actually you can see how nice round this is. This is perfectly smooth and round. So this is like the lower keeper which keeps the wood. So I have over here this kind of tool. It's made from the blade. I will place this component over here. It goes over there. And then I have this kind of other tool. And then I will press these together. Actually, I don't know will this work. Most likely, this is just to be test. It's not working. I have to update this. And I'm not too worried about that because when you're doing something, it's kind of normal that everything don't go perfect. You have to update. So what I have, so this is actually, it was one Saturday when I was just drawing these kind of plates because I was thinking that the tools are kind of expensive and the plate, it's not cheap, but it's not expensive either. So I was drawing this kind of plates with laser cutting, a lot of holes where I can have bolts. And these are like, you can also see that this is just like one component for the boat. And then I just like take this from here. I can manually break that. So this press is, I don't actually know how strong this is, but most likely it is strong. So it's like big boy's machine. Actually, the Rockbullet assembly area is over here, so we are next to that. It's practical that there is got this kind of stuff in this workshop. Yeah, but you can see like this piston rod, how thick it is. So I think there is a lot of power over here. So place the component over here. I did also have little grease over here, but let's see what will happen. I was actually assuming that it will not go all the way because so it's 40 millimeters. What is the distance over here? So it should go 40 millimeters more down because this is more test for me, this first unit. I just make this, and one nice thing over here was that actually it was pressing, so the power was not a problem. Only thing is that it comes back. So you press it down and like spring it comes back. And it's tempered steel, so I cannot actually heat it up. But I think this component like this even should fit. It's nice. Can you see how nice and round this is? Super nice component. So this will just like take the tree and it don't have to like take the branches off. So I think we are happy with this. Let's test the other component. This blade was the reason why I was making this kind of tool, because the shape, it's kind of strange. There is like straight, corner and straight. So it's not so simple, and like everything over here is strange. The thing is that like the first unit will take a lot of time for me to manufacture. But the next ones will be easy. Fix over here. This this comes toward the wood, I think. Yeah. That is how we should have that. And then we place it over here and let's see what will happen. So this was the key thing, because this is difficult shape. And can you leave a comment if you think that this is more than perfect? So this is really nice shape. So the idea over here is that this is for the tree, and that end just takes the extra away. But it's I'm surprised. I'm surprised. So it's even I should be yeah, I didn't know that will happen, but this looks great. And the sharpening side it's perfect. I think we are on the way to something good. So yeah, let's break one more. Okay, I think actually let's go to next to some tree and see how this goes around. So I had to come to forest. Because we are in Finland, there is always forest over here. So I did just walk over here. Factory is behind over here. And this forest would be perfect for this harvester head. So birch forest, this kind of I think this kind of trees is the perfect for this harvester head. And how you can see how it goes around. I didn't even look for the tree, I was just testing. It comes around perfectly over here. And it's sharp. Let's hope, of course we will learn in the real life how it works, but now it feels good. Now it feels good. Yeah. Hey, I hope you did actually like the video. If you did like the video, please give thumb up. And more forestry and rock bullet building and other stuff videos, please subscribe if you haven't yet subscribed, and we see you in next video. Thanks and bye.